In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your clipboard on an iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, if you don't know, iPhones don't technically have a built-in clipboard app, but you can actually still check what you've copied by using the Shortcuts app. First things first, swipe down and search up Shortcuts just like so and open up that app. Usually, if you can't find it, it is inside the Utilities folder. But obviously, if you're like me and you just rather swipe down, just go ahead and do that and search for it. Well, once you do have it opened up, go ahead and tap Gallery down in the bottom right, and then go ahead and use your search bar and type in Adjust Clipboard just like so. Tap on the plus button to actually add it onto your shortcuts. And next, what you're going to want to do is actually hit cancel up in the top left to confirm, and then press shortcuts down in the bottom to see your saved. From here, you'll see Adjust Clipboard listed on it. Tap on it, and you'll instantly see the last thing that you did copy. Obviously, I haven't copied anything recently, so it's not showing that up here. But this is obviously going to be very handy for checking text, links, or anything you might have recently copied. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.